In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily copy a message on a Messages application on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Messages app, then enter a conversation. Let me get into another one. And then, if you would like to copy the text of a particular message, you can easily do so. Just long press on that message and tap Add Copy. What that will do, that will copy the text of this message to the clipboard. And after that, we can, let's say, save that text to Notes app. Why not? We can just paste text here in that way, and also in the same way we can get into, let's say, Messenger app to send it to someone. I'm gonna open up WhatsApp, and that's how we can paste and send this text on the Messenger app. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.